Welcome to this presentation on how to write APA Referencing Made Simple, a step-by-step guide for dissertation success. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on
APA referencing is essential for maintaining academic integrity. It helps credit the original authors, shows the depth of your research, and strengthens your argument. The APA, American Psychological Association style, is commonly used in social sciences, education, and psychology. The 7th edition includes updates like using et al. For more than 2 authors in in-text citations, and including DOIs where available. In-text citations typically include the author's surname and year of publication, author year, while full details go into the reference list at the end. Proper referencing avoids plagiarism, one of the most serious academic offenses. In this guide, we'll cover simple, clear steps to help you master APA referencing for your dissertation. Whether you're citing books, articles, or websites, the rules are consistent once you understand the format. Let's make referencing a strength, not a struggle. In-text citations in APA style follow the author date format. This means you include the surname of the author and the publication year within parentheses. If you are quoting directly, include the page number as well. For example, Smith, 2020, P. Russ, 15. For works with 2 authors, list both names. Smith and Jones, 2020. For 3 or more authors, use the first author's surname, followed by et al. Smith et al., 2020. Every in-text citation should correspond to a full reference in your reference list. Inconsistencies between in-text citations and references are a common mistake that can cost marks. Make sure to review and cross-check all citations before final submission. Mastering in-text citations early will make your dissertation writing process smoother and more efficient. Practice as you go. Don't wait until the end to cite sources. Need help in this assignment? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp link given in comment sections. Your reference list should begin on a new page with the title References centered and bolded. List all sources alphabetically by the surname of the first author. Entries should be double-spaced with a hanging indent of 0.5 inches. This means all lines after the first in each entry are indented. The format for different sources varies, but always include the author, publication year, title, and source. For example, a book citation looks like this: Smith, J., 2020. Title of the book, publisher. For journal articles, Smith, J., 2020. Title of the article, journal name, 12.3, 45-67. https doi.org xx. It's critical to ensure every in-text citation has a matching reference and vice versa. Accurate referencing reflects academic discipline and boosts your dissertation quality. Different sources require different APA formats. For books, the format is author, AA, year, title of work, publisher. For journal articles, include volume, issue, and a DOI if available. Author, AA, year, title of article, journal name, volume, issue, pages. https doi.org xxx. For websites, APA requires the author, if known, date, title, and the direct URL. Author, AA, year, month, date. Title of page, site name, URL. If no author is available, use the title in the author position. Consistency is key. Incorrect use of punctuation, italics, or capitalization can reduce marks. Be meticulous with each citation. Using citation management tools like Zotero or Mendeley can help, but always review for accuracy. Referencing can be time-consuming if left until the end. Use citation managers like Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote to store and format references as you research. These tools allow you to insert citations directly into your dissertation and automatically generate the reference list. Always check your university's requirements regarding APA formatting. Some institutions may have slight modifications. Track your sources from the beginning using a digital note-taking app or spreadsheet. Create categories like author, title, publication, and URL. Before submission, proofread the entire reference list. Look for spelling errors, missing information, or formatting mistakes. Use the official APA-style website or trusted university guides to verify. Good referencing isn't just about avoiding plagiarism. It shows attention to detail and strengthens academic credibility. As you wrap up your dissertation, run through a final APA checklist. Make sure every in-text citation appears in your reference list and vice versa. Confirm that the formatting follows APA 7th edition. Check font, Times New Roman 12 PT or similar. Spacing, indentation, and punctuation. Ask a peer, supervisor, or academic tutor to review your referencing if possible. A second pair of eyes can catch small mistakes that make a big difference. Use official APA resources or your university's Academic Skills Center for guidance. Many universities offer templates or workshops. Don't hesitate to take advantage. Lastly, remember that good referencing is a sign of good scholarship. It can elevate your dissertation grade and reflect your academic integrity. With these steps, you can reference with confidence.